So here we are in Kent, Tunbridge Wells. A really cool space. It's pretty quiet actually. First time here, and yeah, wanted to share the experience with you. Today we're in Kent. Looks like a decent place. It's Sussex, yeah? Sussex. Kent, Tunbridge Wells. Alright, guys. Calverley House. Calverley House. So this road is called the Calverley Road. Yeah. Camden Road now. Alright. So, no, what have we got there? It's a square. Lovely. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Right here. It's pretty much okay. Decent quiet space. I'm gonna go this way. For these guys. Okay for me to go. Alright, that's what we got. Reminds me of where? Where have I seen this similar setup? Oh, in Reading. Yeah. I've seen this similar setup in Reading. They have such a same kind of layout, you know. Yeah, the Reading Town Centre. It's a very similar kind of layout. Yeah. Yeah. So that's why it feels so familiar. Yeah. So this Tunbridge Wells in Kent, Tunbridge Wells in Kent, and Storefront Town Centre. Okay, there the fib. Nice, isn't it? It's okay. Cool, quiet. Today's a Sunday afternoon. What do we see there? Oh, it's a bus. Interesting. The UK is a very interesting place. Yeah, each space has got its own character. You know, I think that's the beauty of diversity. The character of the space, you see it when you move into that place. The people here are quite warmer. Yeah, I've had a lot of smiles since I stepped out this afternoon. You know, the highs and the smiles, way more than London. So, yay! Nice. So this is a good view of how Tunbridge Wells look like. Lovely.
Slide ke busca.
Okay. Has a similar culture like Reading. So I think this side. So yeah, it's it's quite quaint. It's cool. It's nice, simple, nice, lovely. Hello. Alright, so residences, just car parks and stuff like that. Alright, so I just came out a bit to, you know, show you how the space looks like. There's nothing much, just residences and stuff like that. Okay, we'll deep dive into some experiences later, but this was just to show you the space. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel and, you know, let us know what you think. Share your thoughts. Let's know what you think about the space. This in Kent. Have you experienced Kent? What do you think? Do you love the experience here? And what can you say with regards to, I mean, in comparison to say London or any other city you've been to? Probably say Reading or Bristol or Cardiff, Belfast, Manchester, wherever. Would you say Kent or Tunbridge Wells in this case is a place to live? Is it a desirable place to be? Any thoughts to share? Let me know. Dudley Road. Yeah, nice clean spaces. This looks beautiful.
The people's world, I remember.
Yeah, lovely. I'm enjoying this. The bus. It's unique, isn't it? Very unique. Glorious it. Okay, so that's it. That's a good view of the space. Da, 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 da. Yep, folks, so that's it.